Getting a Cloudflare error on your website? Here are 3 quick fixes you can try, step by step. Option 1. Fastest, 10-30 seconds. Step 1. Go to -cloudflare.com and select your domain. Step 2. Scroll down to Advanced Actions. Step 3. Click Pause. Cloudflare on site. Step 4. Confirm the action. Your site will bypass Cloudflare instantly. Option 2. Also instant if dashboard is slow. Step 1. Open your domain on dash.cloudflare.com. Step 2. Go to DNS. Step 3. Find your main A byte AAA records. Hauschauf and www. Step 4. Tap Edit and switch the orange cloud to a gray cloud. Step 5. Hit Save. Your traffic now skips Cloudflare immediately. Option 3. Last resort, 5-60 minutes. Step 1. Log into your domain registrar, where your domain is registered. Step 2. Go to Name Servers Settings. Step 3. Remove Cloudflare's name servers. Step 4. Add your hosting provider's name servers. Step 5. Save and wait for DNS propagation. This takes a little longer but works even when Cloudflare is completely unresponsive. 99% of people fix the issue with Option 1 or Option 2 in under a minute. If this helped, subscribe for more quick fixes from Mr. TECHFOX.